class daily for the Ethereum consensus client. Let me just go search for the YouTube link. All right, this time it was available earlier. Let me go share it. Cool. All right, we can start now. The first on the list today is God's Power.
Good day, everyone. Um, Yesterday I was able to make localization of Bitlist work, so it's ready for review now. And then I opened another issue because complex test structs wasn't working. Localization of complex text struct wasn't working, so I opened a PR on that, and I'm working on that. So it doesn't contain bitlist or bit vector, so it's just a container thing. So I would be focusing on that today, and hopefully figuring out why it's not working.
That's great. Just to be sure that I understand, you're working now on merkleization of complex containers. Is that the title of the issue or the feature?
It's in the spec test, so just one container out of other containers in the spec test. So it's called complex test struct. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, that makes sense. Thanks for working on that, and congrats on the bitlist merkleization. That was probably a complex one. All right, the next one is Martin.
Hey all. So for me, I was cleaning up the code related to shuffle lists. So I had it like working, but yeah, it was not very Elixir-like. So I refactored the whole code and added some more tests and benchmarks, and I have the PR ready. So today I'm gonna work on integrating that algorithm in our code instead of using compute shuffle index to use that, and also see like where the bottlenecks with attestations are, if it's something that can be fixed with this, or if there are other things that can be improved. Yeah, that's what I'll be working on.
That's awesome. Thanks for the update. I was reviewing that PR a couple of minutes ago. Probably will finish in half an hour or something like that. Thanks for the updates. The next one is Fernando.
Yes, for my part, I have been addressing the comments of the SSC static PR. I am trying to enable most of the containers. Almost all of them are passing the test. There are a couple that not,
Nice.
but I am going to address that in SPR. So in current PR, I'm only trying to uncomment the ones that can pass without any kind of modification. So yeah,
That's awesome. I'm glad to know that almost everything is working. That was my intuition. That's why I asked that maybe we can do the test with all of them. But I agree with the policy. Like we should only allow the ones that already work now, and then we disable the rest. And on a second PR, we can continue adding more, catching specific failures. Thanks for working on that PR. That's a non-trivial one, and it's always good to face the tests and see what needs to be changed. So sorry to interrupt you. So today you'll be working on the SSR one?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for the updates then. As for me, yesterday I mostly reviewed a couple of PRs and then I finished the finality workshop slides. At least the part of the algorithm and describing k-finality and that kind of parts that were not explained in the part one, and also explaining how the code works related to k-finality and all of what we explained last time. The second thing is we need to put a date to it. It does Thursday, as always, work for everyone? All right. Yeah, go ahead, Gospower.
No, I was just saying it works for me.
Awesome. Thanks for answering that. I will make sure that Mende can attend too, and then we can all have the finality workshop on Thursday. The only thing that I need to prepare aside from what's already done is the cases where everything went haywire on mainnet. I think that I will add just one case, which is the one where the inactivity leak got activated, like when blocks weren't finalizing a couple of months ago, more than a couple of months. Maybe this was on May approximately last year, but that's an interesting study case. So I will add that to the slides today, and then it's already prepared for Thursday. But having today and tomorrow for that is more than enough time. So I will finish that today. I will review some more PRs, and then probably I will go back to see if I can do anything about the per block processing concurrency today. And if not, maybe something tomorrow. Okay, those are my updates. Do we have any final comments or questions? All right, I will take that as a no. Then we can finish the daily for today. Thank you all for joining, and see you all tomorrow.